Welcome to another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're up here on the property again today, and we're actually going to do some work. We're going to tackle the pump. We're going to do some sealing of the chimneys. We got a tarp to put over, try and keep the water out. So stay tuned for that. We'll show you the progress. Make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button. And we know that this motor is seized, does not work in any capacity. So now we're going to go down into the basement and test.
It's this.
Okay.
Do we try to turn it on?
Sure. What's the worst
Have
that
you
can
ever
happen?
tried to turn it on?
No. So you must plug it into one of these plugs. I wonder if it's like this this one right here with the switch.
So this right here.
Oh, yes. Okay, that makes sense.
Is this breaker and
Yep.
it's off.
Yep, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Do you want me to plug it in? In case we die?
Well, it's not powered right now, so we're safe.
Alright.
It's still right.
But you see what I mean with condensation? But got water. That's why I want to get that hole plugged up. You want me to flip it?
So now there's a switch.
Okay. So now if you test the power, you'll know if that switch is working then. And then is that going to tell us if there's power to the motor part? Or we don't care
know
about
right
that
away because that was tripped. That was black.
Yes.
All man was corrosion everywhere.
Probably need a new box.
The water pump. It said water pump. I totally remember. There's only 62 volts coming out of your breaker. This thing is fucked, dude. God.
So there's something, so,
Something's fucked in here. Like
okay,
the on the bar. I don't know how much
Yep.
power you should be using in the house.
okay, okay.
You don't want it from
So
down.
should we, so do you feel like at this point we should turn the main off?
Want to check some outlets first?
Sure.
Hold on, let me go check it. You got it. Yeah, dude. You're gonna burn his house down. Where's the main breaker?
There is no main, oh, he said it was these two up here.
You got one leg on this one.
So it doesn't work is what you're saying? Doesn't work?
One of these legs isn't registering.
Okay.
That's the good one. That's the bad one.
Okay.
You got power there, it's 220, so you've got one leg of it.
Okay.
So all the ones that are oven and shit, right? Hot water heater, you got hot water right now?
No.
You got nothing. 30 amp, it's gotta be your range. Is it a gas range or electric?
Propane.
So I'm just shutting.
Oh, stove or fridge.
Anything that's 220 needs to be shut. Oh, is your fridge?
No, nothing.
What's on 220?
There's nothing in power on here. You can turn everything off. Absolutely. Turn everything
I
off.
would turn it. But you could, in theory, have something. Did I go there?
So then right here, these should also be off as well, right?
Did I not?
And this off.
Everything.
Yep.
Sorry, did I go back?
Yeah, some of them work. It's okay.
Cool.
All right, so this whole, technically, this whole thing is dead, with the exception of the main power that is live coming in.
Correct.
Do you think we should pull the main at,
I didn't.
pull the breaker at the main, shut the breaker off, so there's no power to anything in here? So the barn is dead, this is dead, everything's dead.
I'm not saying it's a bad idea, but not at least this one.
Okay.
If we can somehow, that's got to go out to somewhere. There's got to be a junction. Is it in the barn or?
Yes. No. The way I understand it is there's a main that comes into off the back side of the barn. There's a box in the barn and there's a box here.
So there's no, like, you can't call grid and have pull your meter right here.
The meter is on the road on the way in.
I would definitely unpower this fucking one.
All right, so what we've been doing is we've been testing power from the barn to the house to the box here in the middle, and we've come to the conclusion that we have power on one lug but not on the other lug. We know that the barn is not connected to the house in any capacity, and neither is that green box that I showed you in the previous video. We pulled the fuses. The fuses have good continuity, but again, there's 2 fuses sets that are missing and there's still power in the house. So we believe that the power from that box probably goes to this barn or chicken coop behind me. So at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a path to the breaker box and see what happens when we start hitting power there. The breaker box that's in the house is gonna ultimately pose a fire hazard, and we need to get it dealt with as soon as possible. And we found an old tube TV, if anybody's interested.
We might need to get that cane. It's fused. It's frozen shut. Or frozen open.
Frozen on?
Got it back there. It works, I'm assuming.
What do you mean? Is it off?
It's off.
Okay. Alright.
Dude, I had a pound on it.
Okay.
When I pound town, those things are.
Right.
So, and you can see the corrosion.
Okay.
So water's getting into the box this way.
Okay. All right, good to know. We were able to come in here. I got a path cut out to the breaker. When we were trying to just simply flip the breaker, it wouldn't flip. So we determined that it's old, rusted, and basically frozen. We ended up using a rubber tool to hit the breaker pretty hard, and we were able to get it turned off. So now there's no power from this pole right here to anything in this line, luckily, so we don't have to worry about burning anything down. This is the kitchen that's in here now. Needs a lot of work. Got some nice vaulted ceilings. And you come out here into the porch. This used to be an enclosed porch, and then the guy that used to live here went through and added this wall with these windows all the way down. Got an old pellet stove. And then here's the bathroom. Here's the light switch in the bathroom, because this used to be the entryway. Very inconvenient. And this is a stairway up to the loft. Good size loft. You can, looks like you could fit probably a queen bed in here. And some dresser. There's a lot of bird crap and mouse droppings. This is Mike with Mad River Outdoors. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button. Click the bell notification for future videos. Talk with you soon.